Hello and welcome back to Instant Seekh. मेरा नाम है कृष्ण कहर. In this video we will be continuing with our UGC NET Paper 1 PYQ series. आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे UGC NET 2024 में आए हुए मैथ्स, रीजनिंग एंड एप्टीट्यूड के क्वेश्चंस. स्पेसिफिकली 21st एंड 22nd अगस्त को आपके जो पेपर्स हुए थे उन दोनों ही शिफ्ट के पेपर 1 के मैथ्स के क्वेश्चंस को हम देखेंगे. सो विदाउट एनी ड्यू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. डू जॉइन अवर टेलीग्राम चैनल्स. इन सभी PYQs के डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन PDF नोट्स आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे. ऑल्सो मैथ्स के जो नोट्स एंड टिप्स, ट्रिक्स एंड फॉर्मूलाज के PDF है वो भी आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे. सो डू जॉइन दैट एज वेल. Okay, so we will be starting with 21st August shift 1 maths questions. Okay, so first question, working 9 hours a day, 12 persons complete a work in 25 days. Working 6 hours a day, 15% can do the same work in how many days it is asking. Okay, क्या पूछा गया है? 12 persons. Okay, 12 people are there. Okay, how many hours they are working? 9 hours they are working, and the work is completed in how many days? 25 days. 25 days. It is asking if 15 people work 6 hours a day, then how many days will be required to do the same amount of work? So first of all we need to calculate the total work. अब total work कैसे निकलेगा? आपको multiply करना है. Okay, how many hours they are working? 9 hours. How many people? 12. Okay, so simply what you will do, 12 people are working how many hours? 9 hours. So you will be multiplying that by 9, and how many days they are working? 25. Okay, so simply you will multiply this. Once you multiply this, you will be getting 2700 person hours. Okay, 2700 person hours are required to complete this task. Okay, hours. Okay, so ये काम करने कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितने घंटे रिक्वायर्ड है? 2700 घंटे. ओके, सो अब ये पूछा गया है कि 15 लोग काम कर रहे हैं 6 घंटे के लिए. 15 पीपल्स आर वर्किंग 6 hours. So how many days it will be completed, right? So simply what you need to do, okay, you will be doing what? 2700 divided by 15 into 6. 2700 divided by 15 into 6. So simply 2700, right? 15 6 are 90, right? 0 0 gets cancelled. 9 1s are 9 3s are 27, right? So 30 days. Okay, how many days are required? 30 days. So your option, that is answer number 3, 30 days will be your correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Three successive discounts of 30% on a mark price of an item are together equivalent to a single discount of what? Okay, क्या बोला गया है? एक ही आइटम पे 3 बार लगातार 30% के डिस्काउंट दिए गए हैं. ओके, इनका इक्विवेलेंट एक एग्जैक्ट सिंगल डिस्काउंट क्या होता? ओके, व्हाट इट इज आस्किंग, इफ अ आइटम हैज बीन गिवन 3 सक्सेसिव डिस्काउंट ऑफ 30%, देन cumulative what could have been the single discount proportional to? Okay, so first of all, let's suppose MRP of the product is 100. Okay, basic in cost, selling price. Okay, this type of profit and loss question. Okay, always take the MRP as 100. Okay, if not any amount is given. Okay, so first of all, if 30% discount is given, after 30% discount, okay, after first discount, if you know on 100 we are giving 30% discount. How much? 30%. So can't we say we can multiply it by 0.7, right? Because what ultimately remains 70%, right? So your value after first discount will be 70. The item value will be 70. Okay, let's see after second discount. After second discount, now the discount will be applied on 70. Okay, but the discount amount remains the same, that is 30%. So again 70 multiplied by 0.7. So now this comes 49. So item value after second 30% discount is 49. Let's see the final after third discount of 30%. Okay, what it will give? 49 into 0.7. Okay, we have given 30% discount. See, आपको इसे इस तरीके से देखना है कि हम किसी प्रोडक्ट्स, ओके, 100 रुपए का अगर प्रोडक्ट है और उसके ऊपर हम 30% का डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं, दैट इज मीन इट इज वी आर डूइंग व्हाट? दिस, राइट? सो वी आर गिविंग 30% डिस्काउंट, सो इट विल स्ट्रेट अवे बिकम 70, or we can do what? We can do otherwise 100 into 0.7 straight up, right? So this is what we are doing. Okay, do not confuse with this. Why we are multiplying 0.7? We are multiplying 0.7 because we are giving a discount of 30%. 30% meaning what? What is the meaning of 30%? Sorry, multiplication sign is there. So 30% meaning what? 0.30, right? We are not giving that 30% discount. Okay, that's why we are multiplying by 0.7. Okay, so last after third discount of 30%, 49 into 0.7, then we will be getting item value as 34.3. So now nothing, you just need to simply deduct this amount from the original MRP and you will get the entire discount. Okay, so what it will be, 100 minus 34.3. okay, अगर आप इसको माइनस करोगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा 65.7. okay, so if we would have given this amount as a single one time discount, then it could have been 65.7% of a discount. okay, so your option number 3 is your correct answer for this particular question. meaning हमने एक ही आइटम के ऊपर 3 बार 30% के डिस्काउंट दिए, वो इक्विवेलेंट है किसके बराबर, उसी आइटम के ऊपर एक बार 65.7% डिस्काउंट देने के बराबर. okay, again I will repeat, if you are giving us 30% discount thrice on a particular item, okay, it is equivalent to what we have obtained, 65.7% single discount. okay, so your answer 3 is your correct. okay, your answer 3 is your correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. okay, a person travels from x to y at a speed of 50 km per hour and returns from y to x by increasing its speed by 50%. okay, his average speed during this journey is what? okay, so first of all you should know average speed formula, what it is. Average speed, okay, and this you should remember. okay, it is formula is 2xy divided by x plus y. okay, I will tell you what is this x and y. okay, so let's suppose there are 2 points. okay, 2 point A and B. now this goes for any question with regards to average speed. okay, it can be if person is traveling to x to y, A to B at 50 km per hour and again B to A at 70 km per hour. okay, क्वेश्चन किसी भी तरीके का हो सकता है. इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है, पर्सन इज ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम एक्स पॉइंट टू वाई एट अ स्पीड ऑफ 50 किलोमीटर आवर और वो रिटर्न उसकी 50% स्पीड इंक्रीज करके रिटर्न हो रहा है. ओके, और बाकी क्वेश्चंस भी ऐसे ही बनते हैं आपके. लेट्स से एक वन पर्सन इज ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम ओके एक्स टू वाई, वो जा रहा है 50 किलोमीटर के आवर से, और बी वाई टू एक्स वो आएगा लेट्स से 70 या 75 किलोमीटर आवर से. ओके, सो इफ द पर्सन इज ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम ए टू बी, देन that speed is x and return speed is denoted as y. do not confuse with these points, these x and y. okay, ये अलग है, ये formula related है, this is related to formula. okay, so here x and y means 2x and this x and y means x is from a point to b point and y speed is from b to a point speed. okay, so let's see this question. speed क्या दिया गया है यहाँ पे, speed is what 50 kilometer per hour, 50 kilometer per hour. okay, for traveling from what, from traveling point x to point y, it takes 50 kilometer. okay, what it is saying, in the return y to x, it returns by increasing its speeds by 50%. okay, so let's say 50 kilometer it was traveling. okay, रिटर्न आते वक्त उसने अपनी स्पीड 50% इंक्रीज कर ली. okay, so what is the 50%? okay, return speed we will write rs will be equal to 50 plus 50% of 50, right? now 50% of 50, so that is nothing but 50 plus 25, so your return speed will be 75, right? so you have to do nothing, just put it in the formula. okay, formula क्या था हमारा, 2xy, right? x क्या है आपका यहाँ पे 50. okay, so 2 into 50, y क्या है आपका 75, right? divided by x plus y, that is 50 plus 75. okay, solve this, you will be getting 7500 divided by 125. okay, and if you solve this, you will be getting your answer, that is 60 kilometer per hour. that is your option number 2 is your correct answer for this particular question. okay, ये आपका सिंपल एवरेज स्पीड का क्वेश्चन है. okay, समटाइम्स आपको डायरेक्टली स्पीड मेंशन होंगे. इस क्वेश्चन में क्या मेंशन है, जाने की स्पीड मेंशन है, आने की स्पीड क्या कही गई है कि वो 50% इंक्रीज है. okay, so just remember that. okay, so your correct answer is answer 2, okay, for this particular question. next, okay, now for 21st August shift 2 के मैथ्स क्वेश्चंस हम देखेंगे. okay, 60% consume 300 kg of wheat in 40 days. in how many days will 25% consume 100 kg of wheat? क्या बोला गया है, 60 लोग हैं, 300 kg का वेट वो 40 दिन में खत्म कर रहे हैं. 25 लोग इसी वेट को 25 लोग 100 kg ऑफ वेट को कितने दिन में खत्म करेंगे? ओके, सो 60%, राइट, 60% कंज्यूम 300 kg ऑफ वेट, 300 kg इन 40 डेज. ओके, और पूछ क्या रहा है वो, देखिए 60%, हाँ, ओके, पूछ रहा है 25% विल कंज्यूम 100 kg ऑफ वेट इन हाउ मेनी डेज. ओके, अब ये क्वेश्चन देखा देखा सा लगेगा आपको. हमने जस्ट नाउ वी हैव सॉल्व्ड दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन right, at the start itself. Okay, regarding person work hours. Okay, so similarly यहाँ पे भी you can directly start by multiplying. Okay, so multiplying you will get what? See, first per day का intake आपको निकालना है. Okay, 300 kg of wheat है, right? Okay, कितने लोग हैं? 60 लोग हैं. Okay, कितने दिन का कंजम्पशन था? 40 दिन का. ओके, सो पर डे का आपका कंजम्पशन निकल के आ जाएगा. ओके, इफ यू कैंसिल दिस आउट, ओके, एंड पर डे कंजम्पशन आपका हो जाएगा 6 4 24. ओके, 1/8 आपका आ जाएगा 1/8 एंड दैट इज नथिंग बट 0.125 kg. कितना कंजम्पशन हो रहा है पर पर्सन? पर पर्सन इट इज कंज्यूमिंग व्हाट? पर पर्सन इन अ डे इट इज कंज्यूमिंग 0.125 kg ऑफ व्हीट. ओके, एक बंदा एक दिन में कितने kg ऑफ व्हीट को कंज्यूम कर रहा है? 0.125 kg. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या कहा गया है कि डेली कंजम्पशन. ओके, अब यहाँ पे पर्सन कितने हैं? 25. सो 25 पीपल का डेली कंजम्पशन अगर 0.125 का है, राइट, तो वो एक दिन में कितने कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं वेट? दे आर कंज्यूमिंग 3.125 kg ऑफ वेट इन अ डे, राइट ना. 25 लोग अगर उनका कंजम्पशन, एक बंदे का कंजम्पशन, अगर एक पर्सन का कंजम्पशन 0.125 kg है, सो 25 लोगों का कंजम्पशन पर डे कितना होगा? 3.125 kg, राइट. नाउ वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट व्हाट कि 100 kg हम कितने दिन में खत्म करेंगे. सो स्ट्रेट अवे 100 you will be dividing by 3.125. okay, so if you divide this you will be getting 32 days. How many? 32 days. So your correct answer will be 32 days. Okay, so weight consumption divided by the number of persons and number of days. Okay, per day का हमने consumption निकाला. So per day consumption निकालने के बाद number of persons given multiplied by per day consumption. So हमारे 25 लोगों का पर डे का कंजम्पशन निकल जाएगा. सो 100 kg ऑफ वेट खत्म करने के लिए हमें पर डे को कंजम्पशन से डिवाइड करना होगा, जिसका आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 32 डेज. सो योर करेक्ट आंसर विल बी आंसर नंबर 3. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, बाय सेलिंग 35 eggs for ₹30 a man loses 25%. How many eggs should he sell for ₹144 to gain 20% of what? प्रॉफिट. ओके, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस का आपका क्वेश्चन है. ओके, सो ध्यान से सॉल्व करना है. ओके, लेट्स से सीपी ऑफ वन एग, कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ वन एग इज इक्वल टू एक्स, इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? एक्स, राइट. सीपी हम मान लेते हैं एक एग का कितना है? एक्स अमाउंट है. नाउ सेलिंग क्या बोला गया है? सेलिंग 35 eggs for ₹30 a man loses 25%. okay, selling 35 eggs for 30 means सेलिंग प्राइस पर एग कितना है? पर एग सेलिंग प्राइस आपका हो जाएगा, ओके, क्या? 30 डिवाइडेड बाय 35. 30 डिवाइडेड बाय 35 बिकॉज व्हाट? एट द प्राइस ऑफ 30 वी आर सेलिंग व्हाट? 35 eggs. तो ये आपका निकल के आ जाएगा व्हाट? सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ ईच एग इज नाउ 6/7 रुपीज, राइट. अब लॉस कितने परसेंटेज का दिया गया है? 25. लॉस इज 25%. लॉस इज 25%. ओके, सो हम लिख सकते हैं SP विल बी इक्वल टू 75% ऑफ CP. 75% ऑफ CP. अब इस स्टेटमेंट को ध्यान से समझो. क्या बोल रहा है? क्योंकि ये सेलिंग प्राइस है, राइट. 30 रुपया हमारा क्या था? सेलिंग प्राइस. एंड ओवरऑल सेलिंग प्राइस पर एग हमारा क्या निकल के आया है? 6/7, राइट. सो ऑलरेडी 25% का लॉस बता रहा है. सो यूजिंग सेलिंग प्राइस वी कैन कैलकुलेट CP. okay, we can calculate what? CP. okay, so let's put it down. SP क्या है हमारा? 6/7 हमने निकाला है, right, equal to 75%, that is your 75% divided by 100 of CP into X, right. So if you solve this, so X equal to 6/7 into 100 by 75, that is 25 3s are 25 4s are. okay, if you solve this you will get 6 4s are 24 upon 21, that is your 8/7. okay, so आपका कॉस्ट प्राइस निकल के क्या आ गया? पर एग द कॉस्ट प्राइस नाउ वी नो इज 8/7 रुपीज. 8/7 रुपीज. सो अब हमें क्या बनाना है? हमें प्रॉफिट बनाना है. ओके, प्रॉफिट बनाना है. सो सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होना चाहिए? सो सेलिंग प्राइस, ओके, इसको यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. सेलिंग प्राइस नाउ विल बी per egg will be what? 120% of CP. 120% of what? CP. Okay. So selling price per egg will be now 120% of CP. So we can say 120% means 120 divided by 100 into selling cost price क्या है आपका? 8/7, right? So if you divide this, you will get 6/5. First of all, we can cancel this. 25 is a 26 is a, right? Then you will be getting 48/35. Now simply you just need to multiply this number. Okay. So if you want to sell for 144, okay, to get 20%, now we need to multiply this by the number of x. Number of x कितने दिए हुए हैं? 144. So 144 into 35/48. Okay. So this will give you what? Let's say 12. 12 12s are 12 4s are, right? Okay. And 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 35 3s are, this will give you 105x. 105x. तो आपको कितने x हो जाएंगे? Correct answer will be 105x. Okay, so your answer will be 105. Let's move on to the next. Okay, again successive discount question. 3 successive discounts of 10%, 20% and 30% on the mark price of an item are equivalent to single discount of what? Just now अभी हमने क्वेश्चन किया है 3 successive discount of 30%. यहाँ पे 3 successive discount आपको दिए गए हैं, but the discount values are changed. Now it is 10, 20 and 30 for respective iteration. जैसा हमने किया था, हम क्या लेंगे? MRP लेंगे, right? MRP कितना होगा? 100. After first discount, okay, after first discount we will calculate the item value. So after first discount, okay, it will be what? 100. Now पहला डिस्काउंट कितने परसेंट का है? 10%. So हम मल्टीप्लाई किसे करेंगे? 0.9 से, क्योंकि एक हिस्सा तो निकल गया, राइट? 0.1 plus 0.9 makes 1, right? So एक निकल गया, right? That is your 10/100. That is your 10% plus 90%. Simplify कर रहा हूं मैं यहाँ पे, okay? So 10% का हमने डिस्काउंट दे दिया, तो बचे कितने? 0.9. So that will be giving you the exact amount of item after first discount. तो क्या हो जाएगा वो? 90 rupees, right? After first discount, your item value will be 90 rupees. Next, after second discount check कर लेते हैं. After second discount, अब ये second discount 90 के ऊपर लगेगा, right? So 90 into second discount की वैल्यू क्या दी गई है? 20%. So straight away we can multiply by 0.8. This will give you 72. कितना आ जाएगा item का वैल्यू after second discount? 72. Let's see after third discount. After third discount, it will be 72 into third discount कितना बोला गया है? 30%. So we will be multiplying it by 0.7. Okay. So after multiplying this, you will be getting 50.4. अब कुछ नहीं करना है, जैसा हमने किया था, आपको एक्चुअल MRP से इस फाइनल परसेंटेज को माइनस करना है. ओके, सो आफ्टर माइनसिंग दिस 100 फ्रॉम 50.4 फ्रॉम 100, you will get 49.6%. Okay, so these 3 successive discount of 10%, 20% and 30% will be equivalent to single discount of 49.6%. That is your option number 4 is your correct answer for this particular question. Right, let's move on to the next. Okay, now we are starting with 22nd August shift 1 maths question. Okay, let's see them. Okay, now time and work question. These questions are asked very often. Okay, so A takes twice as much as time B to complete a work, and C does it in same as both A and B together do it. Okay, क्या बोल रहा है? A takes twice the time जितना B को complete करने में लगता है, और C does the same in the addition of A plus B, right? So if all of them work together and complete the work in 5 days, then time taken by B to complete the work alone in single day will be how much? Okay, so let B time to complete the work with 2x. Let B time to complete work will be x days. Okay, let us assume B is taking how many days? It is taking x days, right? So as you can see here, A takes twice as much as time of B. So straight away you can say A's time to complete the work, or the A's efficiency is what? Twice of B. You can't say efficiency, it takes twice the more days, right? Now C, what is C given? C's time is what? A and B together. Okay, that is your A plus B, right? So we can simply perform the addition. So A work rate is what? A work rate is 1 by 2x. Okay, just convert it into your efficiency format. B is 1 by x. So C will be equal to what? C will be equal to 1 by 2x plus 1 by x. That is your 3 by 2x. Okay, so C's efficiency is what? 3 by 2x. Now, if we combine the efficiency, okay, combine all of them together and complete the work in 5 days. So, if we combine all three of the efficiencies, then 1 by 2x plus 1 by x plus 3 by 2x. 3 by 2x. Okay, so if we multiply this, okay, so this, if we take 2x common, 2x common here, so you will be getting 6 divided by 2x, and that is 3 by x. 3 by x. Okay, now this is the efficiency. So if they complete the work in how many days? 5 days. So simply you can write in this format 3 by x equal to 1 by 5 days. Okay, now simply cross multiply how many days will be required. So you will be requiring 5 into 3 days, that is your 15 days will be required, all of them together to complete, by the B to complete this particular task, by B. Okay, because what? Total efficiency is what? 3 by x, right? Okay, and if B is doing it alone, then it will be doing in what? It B is doing in by 1 by x. Okay, so we have multiplied, and x will be equal to 5 into 3, that is your 15 days. That is option number 3 will be your correct answer for this particular question. Let's move on to the next. Okay, again similar question, right? Consumption related. 90% consume 810 kg of food in 27 days. In how many days 60% will consume 300 kg of food? Say same as we have seen wheat related question, right? How many persons are there? 90%. Okay, how many quantity is given? 810 kg. In how many days? 27 days. Right, so we need to find the per day consumption. How we will get the per day consumption? 800 divided by 90 into 27. 90 into 27, this will give us the per day consumption. Okay, so this we can cancel out, 0 cancel out, 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81, and 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. Okay, 1 by 3 we are getting the per day consumption, right? And that is your 0.003. Okay, let it be 1 by 3. Now what it is asking, 60% are there and 300 kg quantity is given. Then in how many days will they be able to consume this particular 300 kg of food? Okay, so what you need to do, simply 60% per day consumption is 1 by 3 kg. So we will be multiplying it by 1 by 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 and 20. Okay, so they 60% will consume 20 kg. 60% will come daily will consume 20 kg of what? 20 kg of food. So for 300 kg, how many days will be required? So we can simply divide by 20 kg consumption per day. So we will be requiring 15 days to consume all of the food. 15 days. Okay, so your correct answer will be option number 3. 15 days will be required. Okay, similar question previously we have solved. Okay, option number 3 will be your correct answer. Next, arrange the following fraction in decreasing order. Okay, fractions are given: 12 by 19, 7 by 12, 11 by 17, and 17 by 28. So let's see the values of this very quickly. Okay, 12 by 19, 12 divided by 19 will be equal to what? Equal to your 0.6316. Okay, next, 7 by 12. Okay, so this will give you what? 0.5833. Next, 11 by 17. 11 by 17 will give you 0.6470. Okay, and last, 17 by 28 will give you 0.6071. Okay, so we can arrange the order. Decreasing, the highest is what? C will come first, right? C. So correct order will be C, then your A, right? Then your D, and then your B in the decreasing order. Okay, so your correct pattern in the decreasing order of this particular fractions will be C, A, D, B. That is your option number 2 will be your correct answer for this particular question. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, next now we will see 22nd August shift to maths related questions. Okay, a shopkeeper first increased the price of an item by 12%. How much? 12%, and then announces a discount of 20%. Okay, this is how most of the shopkeepers do. Okay, so okay, anyways, back to the question. A shopkeeper first increased the price of an item by 20% and then announces a discount of 20%. Okay, the actual discount of the original price is what? Okay, so let us assume the original price is 100. Original price is 100. Okay, so consumer shopkeeper increased the price by 12%. Okay, so the 12% meaning what? So 100, if you see 100, 1% is what? 1. Okay, 12% will be 1% is 1, 12% will be 12. Simple, right? So you just need to add in this. So after 12% increase, the product value will be 112, isn't it? Right now कितने परसेंट का इंक्रीज किया इस पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट पे? 12% का. सो इंक्रीज करने के बाद वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? प्राइस क्या हो जाएगा आइटम का? 112. द न्यू प्राइस ऑफ द आइटम विल बी 112. Let's give a discount of 20%. As I have said, if we are giving discount of some percent, so if it is 20, we will be multiplying by 0.8. If it is 30, we will be multiplying it by 0.7, right? And so on. So कितने परसेंट का डिस्काउंट यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है? 20% का. सो हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 0.8 से. Okay, so let's multiply. 8 2 16, 8 2 16, right? Again 16, 8 1 8, and plus 1 9, and 8 1 8, and our decimal. So after discount of 20%, what is the value? 89. Okay, now you know what to do. Okay, in successive discount we have done the same. Original price, we will minus the percentage that we have got. Okay, so this will give us the actual discount. Okay, so 100 minus 89.6. So if you minus this, you will get your answer, that is 10.4% will be the actual discount that is given. Okay, so your correct answer will be option number 2, right? So the answer will be option 2. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, a 200-meter long train is traveling at a constant speed of 20 meter per second. How long will it take to completely cross a 1000 meter long railway platform? Okay, now in this type of question, whenever a train is passing, always remember, whenever a train is passing a pole, a man, okay, in that only the length of the train is counted. Only the length of the train is counted. Length of train. But when a train is passing a platform, when a train is passing a platform, or when the train is passing a tunnel, or when the train is passing a tunnel, then during the length of the train plus the object length, whether it is platform, whether it is your platform, or whether it is tunnel, those will be calculated in distance. Okay, so your distance will be length of the train plus the platform it is crossing. Okay, I hope you understood. Whenever the questions, जब भी आपके क्वेश्चंस आएंगे कि एक ट्रेन किसी एक पोल या मैन को क्रॉस कर रही है, तो सिर्फ हम डिस्टेंस में ट्रेन के लेंथ को काउंट करेंगे. ओके, एंड जब वो किसी प्लेटफॉर्म या टनल को क्रॉस कर रही है, तो हम ट्रेन की लेंथ के साथ साथ टनल और या तो उस प्लेटफॉर्म के लेंथ को भी ऐड करेंगे, राइट? So again I'm repeating, if the train is crossing a particular man or a pole, then only the length of the train will be counted as a distance and distance traveled. And when the train is crossing a platform or tunnel, then the length of the train plus the platform length or tunnel length will be counted as the distance. Okay, so in this case the total distance will be what? Okay, let me write it down clearly. Total distance, that is D, will be equal to length of the train. Okay, it is crossing platform, right? It is crossing platform, so it will be length of the train, which is 200 meter, right? Length of the train 200 meter plus platform length, that is 1000 meter. So total distance will be 1200 meter per second. 1200 meter per second. So if you calculate now, what it is asking, how long it will take. So it is asking us the time, right? So simply distance upon time. What is the distance given here? Distance is 1200 meter. What is the time? 20 meter per second. Okay, okay, you should remember time is equal to distance upon speed, right? So that's why 1200 upon 20, and this will give you what? 0 0 cancel, 2 ones are, and 6 are 60. Okay, so 60 seconds will be required. That is your 1 minute will be required. 1 minute will be required to cross the 1000 meter long railway platform. So your option first will be your correct answer for this particular question. That is 1 minute will be required. Okay, let's move to the next. Arrange the following fractions in the decreasing order. Again, we need to arrange these fractions. Okay, starting with the first one, 17 divided by 21. This will give us 0.80952. Next, 15 divided by 19. 15 divided by 19. This will give you 78947. Okay, 947. Okay, sorry for this. Yeah. Next, 13 divided by 16. So this will give you 0.8125. And last, we have 14 divided by 70. So this will give you 0.8235. Okay. So let's start arranging in decreasing order. So first आपका आएगा C, right? 81 C. Sorry. First आपका आएगा D, right? D 8235. Then C. Then A. And then B. Right. So your correct pattern will be DCAB. That is your option number 4. Option number 4 will be your correct answer for this particular question. Okay, DCAB will be your correct answer. Okay, students, with this we have completed maths related question of 21st and 22nd August paper 1 of UGC NET 2024. Do like and share this particular video if you found this explanations useful. Do like this particular video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel Instant Seekh. Also, do join the social media handle and specifically Telegram channel is solutions ki detailed explanation notes as well as maths related formulas and concepts and tricks PDFs will be uploaded on Telegram channel. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing for your exams and Jai Hind.